This is the Beardsman by Remington, and it is billed as the ultimate precision beard grooming kit. It comes in this really nice presentation box, as you can see. It's the kind of a box that if someone were to get this as a gift, they'd be thinking, wow, this person is giving me a nice gift. Time to look at what comes inside the box. The Groomsman comes with 3 changeable precision heads. One is on the trimmer when you take it out of the box, and these are the other 2. It's got a pop-up edger, see that? A long beard trimming guard, and it'll help people that have a long beard keep it precision trimmed. A guard with an adjustment wheel on it, and it's for people like me and people who wear stubble. I think it's a nice touch that they include this kind of barber style pair of scissors. Here's the power supply. It comes with this beard brush. That's kind of a nice touch. The main trimmer, when it comes out of the box, it looks like this. It has the first trim guard on it, and you have this gauge wheel that moves it up and down so you can adjust the cut of your beard. Yeah, that's it, just those 2 hairs. This Remington did a really, really good job. All in all, it's just a great piece of grooming equipment. I'm sold on this thing. I bought it with my own money. Nobody gave it to me. And right now, I can't get over the way I look. It's really good. Anyway, thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, and a couple of things that I always want my viewers to do is 1, have a nice day, and 2, have a nice life.